The same way you can assign the dictionary values to X. For example, dictionary contains key value pairs. For example, 1 is a key with a colon. I am giving ONE as a key value. The same way I am giving 2 as a key value. Now I am giving TWO. This is called key value pair. So 2 is a value and TWO is a key value. So now if I am going to print it, it will show you the dictionary values. So in the same way, using variables we can do multiple assignment also. For example, if you want to assign same value to A, B and C, and that is 6 you assume. So for A, B, C I am assigning 6. So when we print for A, that will give you 6. For B also it will give you the same value. In the same way for C also it will give you the same value. So we are assigning a same value to the different variables, and we can assign different type of variables in a single assignment. For example, for A comma B comma C, now I am assigning 1 value to A and 2 value to B and a string value to C, that is Python. So a string should be in double quotes always, so don't forget that, otherwise it will give an error. So for example, if I print the value of C, it will give Python. So the same way, if I'll print the value of B, it will give you the integer value, that is 2. So using type keyword we can find out that is a integer or a float value. For example, see, print using type keyword, I am going to find out the type of A. See, now it is showing integer value. The same way, now I have given a variable that is type of A. We can give directly a value also. For example, type of 42 or 32. Now I gave 32, it is showing integer. Now I will give a different value, that is 3.4. See, now it is giving output as it is a float value. So by using type we can find out what type of data type it is. For example, see, now I am giving Python, so it is showing string. So the same way, by using type keyword you can find out which data type it is belongs to. In Python there are different data types are there, that is the standard data types in Python are one is numbers, and next one is strings, third one is list, fourth is tuple, and other one is set, and finally dictionary. These are the standard data types in Python. So now in Python, what are the numbers, means what types we can number data types we can see is, that is, one is integer type, and second one is long, third one is float, and fourth one is complex. Just now we have seen these 4 types. One is integer, and the second one is long, third one is float, fourth one is complex. But we didn't check this long because this long data type is there in Python 2X version. 2X version. Now it is not there in Python 3X version. So it is no longer been available in Python 3. So now we have integer, float and complex values. For example, now open IDLE I am going to assign a value, that is for a 0.0678. See, now I am going to print what type of data type of a, that is float. See, the same way, if I will give b equal to 0.0678, so it could be any value. Now I want to show you what is the type of data type, that is see, b also it is given float type. So in 3x version, long data type is removed. So for example, I have shown you how to assign a complex value using complex keyword. First you have to mention that real value, then you have to give the imaginary value. If you want to see the output, now see, I am going to print the value of x. It will show you the complex value, that is 1 plus 2j. In the same way, you can assign a value for y also, that is complex, and now I am giving 2 as a real value and 3 as an imaginary value. So now what it will show, now I am printing the y value and it is case sensitive. So see, now it is giving output as 2 plus 3j. So the same way, now we created different variables, for example a, b, x and y, and we can delete that variables also. For example, using delete keyword, you can delete the number object by using delete statement. For example, see, del variable name, that is a. Now value of a got deleted. If you print a value, it will not show, it will show you the error because that value got deleted by using delete keyword. So here we can convert the numbers also. For example, we can convert a octal value, that is, for example, using octal keyword, and a octal value is prefixed by 0 and o, 0 and a lowercase o, that is uppercase o will be interpreted as an octal number. So for example, a is equal to 0 o 1 0. Now see, it is an octal number. So now if I will print the value of a, it will give the binary, means binary value. So we can convert by using means if we give any octal value also, if you print, automatically Python will show you that binary value. So the same way you can do for hexadecimal also. See, now I am going to give hex value to x variable. So if I will print x value, it will show you the binary value. See, now it is showing hexadecimal value only. So that is different type we are not using, because some other typical calculations only they will use octal, hexadecimal and all. See, now we have type conversions or typecasting, that is called. So we can convert using type conversions. For example, see, print. Now I am going to convert a string into a integer using int keyword. See, now it is showing 2013 as an integer value. The same way, if I assign a string, that is 1001 to a,